Over 70% of jobs in the biotech sector come from companies in aquaculture and agricultural development. Growth of biotech companies relies on continued scientific research in collaboration with farmers.
The grower dictates what we need to do for them. If we don't have if they didn't have a problem, they wouldn't be coming to the scientists requesting help. They have problems. The real growers are having problems producing the crops to meet their ends. They need research. They need any type of research to help them. It could be doing breeding for resistance. It could be looking at ways of using chemicals to make them more productive, and it could be cultural means of fertilization and other practices.
We've seen in agriculture for the last 10 years we've been producing transgenic crops. Soybeans in the U.S. is like 80% transgenic now, and it's had no health problems, no health effects. It's had a very positive effect on the environment because many of the farmers have been able to go to no-till agriculture. And we see the same thing with other crops like cotton, for example. The use of pesticides has gone way down since biotech cotton was available.
In Hawaii, a lot of Cattleya orchid has been destroyed by the viral diseases, just like we have the banana virus disease. So we want to help the orchid growers someday. When we get the good result from this transgenic orchid, then hopefully we can supply the growers with those healthy ones.
All these different kinds of research from different ends. What you're looking at is something to be beneficial for the grower, able to stay in business and able to produce it and make a good living for themselves.
Now there are some people that at first were worried about health considerations because it's something new. Well, those have been addressed and found not to be a problem. There were people that were concerned about the environment, environmental effects. Well, we have 10 years of experience. That has not been a problem. They're just like regular plants.
That's one thing that people always question, whether the result of when they eat the GMO product, whether that would affect their health. And so please, for those people who do the research and to focus on that first before we even trying to probably educate the public. But once that is established, and I believe the public could embrace the GMO product.
With greater public understanding of science and the construction of a biotechnological park where researchers and companies can collaborate, the biotechnology industry claims that this industry will become an important player in Hawaii's economy and the world's changing markets.